In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a server-side conversion event within Optibase. So first things first, when would you really want to do this? Well, if the client side just doesn't cut it. So let's say, for example, you want to track when someone signed up. You do not necessarily want to track when they click the sign up button because that could be inaccurate. What if they spam clicked it? What if their information was incorrect and they clicked it again? You want to track actual, real, genuine signups. That is when you would want to do it from the server side. So let's go ahead and set that up right now. First things first, open the Optibase dashboard and click on new conversion. In this case, I'm just going to call it sign up. Just like that. And for the type, we are going to select programmatic. So you can call this exact same conversion from the front end or from the server side. So let's go ahead and create conversion. Now, as we can see, we have here the sign up event. It's created. We're good to go in the Optibase dashboard. Now let's go ahead and check out our code. So I have a sign up form and it's not actually signing up for anything right now, but let's just go ahead and say that it was. So the first things first, we have imported the sign up action. So this is where our server side events take place. That would be where our sign up flow actually takes place and sends that data to our auth. So what we need to do here is we actually need to pass that through. So first things first, you are going to need the tested user ID, which is accessible at window Optibase tested user ID. So you're going to need to make sure that you also pass that through into the event, just as I have right here. Then gonna go ahead and check out our actual server-side logic, what we have. So we are making a post request to the following endpoint, which is app.optibase.io/API/script/conversion event. And you need to have three things included in that request. You need to have your public API key, which you can get from the settings page. As you can see, I have it here. You need to have the conversion ID. As you can see, I have this one that I was doing while testing. We're going to update that in just a second. And then along with that, we have that tested user ID that I mentioned. So with all of that in place, you are ready to go. Go ahead and make sure you have the correct ID, which in this case is sign_up. Go ahead and save that. So now I'm going to go ahead and test it out. And as we should see, we are now sending a server-side event into Optibase. So I'm going to go ahead and click sign up, and then I'm going to fill out this form. All right, I filled it out. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on create account, and it should do all of that logic. So it took us over here to the home page, which means from the code that I set up, it should be working. Let's go ahead and check in Optibase. And as we can see, the sign up event has indeed successfully received a conversion.